teachers. We are grade 11 ICT Matyaga, representing the Seven Ages of Man by William Shakespeare. Please enjoy our show.
All the world a stage, and all the men and women Merlin players. They have their exits and entrances,
And one man
and one man and one man in his time to play his many parts. His acts being seven ages. At first, the infant, mewing and puking in the nurse's arms.
Look, there's a baby.
Silence, look at the baby. Silence, look at the baby. Silence, the baby is sleeping. Silence, the baby is sleeping. And then, the whining schoolboy with a satchel and a shining morning face, creeping like a slave, and bringing it to school. Hey, come on, let's go to school. Hey, come on, let's go to school.
No, I don't want to go to school.
No, you must go to school. And then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrows.
Sana all! Soldiers, take my command. Forward, march!
Then the soldiers,
Full of strangers!
and burning like a fire, jealous and honor, sudden, quick, and quarrel.
Speaking about his reputation, even in a cannon's mouth.
And then the justice will flare around belly, to the Lord Captain, with eyes severe, the dread of the world attack, for all the senses, and northern instances. And so, he takes his heart.
The six!
The six,
The six-age shift into the lane and slippered pantalon, with spectacles on nose and pouch inside. His youthful host was out, a world too wide, for his strong shock in his big manly voice, turning again to our childish level, pipes and whistle in his sound.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 ages, 7 ages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 ages, 7 ages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 ages, 7 ages. The last king of all,
That answer strange and painful mystery, is the silent consciousness and mere confusion. Something,